In Venezuela, the operation to capture President Nicolás Maduro relied on air power, surveillance, and rapid transport rather than ground forces. This video breaks down every US vehicle and aircraft involved and the role each played. We start with fixed-wing combat and support aircraft, F-22 Raptor. Built as a fifth-generation stealth air superiority fighter, this aircraft is designed to control contested airspace. With supercruise capability, advanced sensor fusion, and a low observable design, it prevents hostile aircraft from approaching sensitive operations. In this mission, its role was to secure the air picture, deter interception, and ensure that transport, helicopters, and support aircraft could operate without threat from enemy fighters or coordinated aerial response. F-35 Lightning II. Designed as a multi-role stealth platform, this aircraft is optimized for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike. Its sensors fuse radar, infrared, and electronic data into a single battlefield view. During the operation, it acted as an airborne sensor node, detecting air defenses, sharing targeting data, and supporting decision-making for strike, escort, and special operations aviation moving through controlled airspace. F/A-18 Super Hornet. As a carrier-based multi-role fighter, this aircraft is built for strike, escort, and sustained naval aviation operations. Able to carry a wide range of precision weapons, it supports missions launched from offshore platforms. In this operation, it provided flexible strike capability, protected electronic warfare aircraft, and reinforced air cover for helicopters and transport aircraft operating near the objective area. EA-18G Growler. Purpose-built for electronic warfare, this aircraft disrupts enemy radar and communications networks. Using jamming pods and anti-radiation weapons, it degrades air defense systems before they can respond. During the operation, it suppressed surveillance and targeting radars, reduced coordination between defenders, and created a permissive environment for aircraft conducting insertion, extraction, and transport tasks. E-2D Hawkeye. Serving as an airborne early warning and command platform, this aircraft manages the air battle from above. Its powerful radar tracks aircraft, drones, and missile activity across wide areas. In this operation, it coordinated air traffic, deconflicted flight paths, and maintained a unified air picture, allowing fighters, helicopters, and transports to operate under centralized control without collision or mission interference. B-1B Lancer. Built as a long-range supersonic bomber, this aircraft is capable of delivering large payloads of precision-guided munitions. While not used for close engagement, it provides strategic reach and rapid strike options. In this operation, it served as a deterrent and contingency asset, ready to engage hardened or time-sensitive targets if escalation occurred, reinforcing air dominance and operational pressure across the theater. Moving on to helicopters, MH-60M Black Hawk. Optimized for special operations assault, this helicopter is built for night, low-level, and urban flight. Advanced navigation, defensive systems, and secure communications allow precise insertion onto confined landing zones. In this mission, it carried assault teams into the objective area, supported fast rope insertions, and conducted primary extraction while operating under electronic warfare protection and fighter-controlled airspace. MH-47G Chinook. Configured for heavy-lift special operations, this helicopter supports long-range missions with aerial refueling capability. Its large cabin moves personnel, equipment, and supplies in contested environments. During the operation, it provided backup extraction, transported additional forces and materiel, and ensured mission continuity if primary assault aircraft became unavailable or damaged. MH-6 Little Bird. Designed for precision urban operations, this light helicopter offers exceptional maneuverability and a minimal visual footprint. Able to land on rooftops and narrow streets, it inserts small teams directly beside objectives. In this mission, it enabled close-in access, rapid repositioning between sites, and flexible movement where larger helicopters could not safely operate. AH-64E Apache. Built as an advanced attack helicopter, this platform delivers armed escort and immediate fire support. Equipped with sensors, a 30mm cannon, rockets, and guided missiles, it detects and engages ground threats. During the operation, it protected insertion routes, deterred hostile movement near landing zones, and stood ready to suppress threats during extraction phases. Next up, naval platforms. USS Iwo Jima. Serving as an amphibious assault platform, this ship functions as a mobile sea-based airfield and command center. Its flight deck supports helicopters and tilt-rotor aircraft, while internal spaces host command staff and secure holding areas. In this operation, it acted as the offshore staging base, coordinated aviation movements, and provided a controlled environment for personnel transfer following extraction from the objective area. Shifting to drones. MQ-9 Reaper. Designed for long-endurance operations, this unmanned aircraft provides persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance over wide areas. Equipped with electro-optical sensors and precision weapons, it can monitor targets for many hours without interruption. In this operation, it tracked movement patterns, confirmed target presence, and provided real-time overwatch during insertion and extraction, relaying live data to command elements and supporting aircraft. RQ-170 Sentinel. Built as a low observable reconnaissance platform, this unmanned aircraft conducts covert surveillance in defended airspace. Its stealth design reduces detection while collecting high-value imagery and signals. During the operation, it discreetly monitored urban areas, supported identity confirmation, and supplied sensitive intelligence to planners without alerting air defense systems or revealing the presence of overhead surveillance assets. RQ-4 Global Hawk. Configured for high-altitude, long-endurance missions, this unmanned aircraft surveys vast regions using advanced sensors. Operating far above commercial traffic, it provides strategic-level intelligence and airspace awareness. In this operation, it contributed wide-area monitoring, tracked military movements, and maintained situational awareness across the theatre, supporting command decisions beyond the immediate objective zone. Finally, large transport and logistics. C-17 Globemaster III. Designed for strategic airlift, this aircraft moves personnel, vehicles, and sensitive cargo across intercontinental distances. Able to operate from prepared runways worldwide, it supports rapid force projection and redeployment. In this operation, it handled long-range transport, supported rapid movement of forces, and provided secure airlift capacity for personnel and critical assets once airspace control was established. C-130J Super Hercules. Built for tactical transport, this aircraft supports special operations logistics, personnel movement, and resupply missions. Its ability to operate from shorter runways allows access to forward staging bases. During the operation, it transported equipment, supported special operations units, and sustained the air bridge supplying forces and command elements operating near the mission area. CV-22 Osprey. Combining vertical lift with turboprop speed and range, this tilt-rotor aircraft is optimized for special operations missions. It bridges the gap between helicopters and fixed-wing transports. In this operation, it enabled long-range insertion and extraction, reduced reliance on forward bases, and provided flexible transport options from land or sea platforms supporting the mission. KC-135 Stratotanker. Configured as an aerial refueling platform, this aircraft extends the endurance of fighters, bombers, and support aircraft. By transferring fuel in flight, it allows sustained operations far from base. During the operation, it kept combat air patrols, electronic warfare aircraft, and transports airborne for extended periods, ensuring uninterrupted coverage and mission continuity throughout all phases. The operation in Venezuela demonstrated how modern military power is applied through coordination rather than mass. Air superiority, surveillance platforms, naval support, and rapid transport replaced traditional ground assaults. Together, these vehicles formed a system designed to act quickly, precisely, and decisively, showing how contemporary operations achieve political objectives without prolonged combat.